So I'm going to take my terms, and I want you to flip your flap, and we're going to put the terms underneath it, okay? So I'm going to combine my terms. So at the top of your page where it says expression after combining like terms, okay, I'm going to combine my terms. So I have a 2x and an x. Now I have a plus in front of it. So that means I'm adding. So I'm going to add 2x and x, and what do I get? 3x. Because if I have a variable, I'm just assuming there's a 1 in front of it, okay? All right, so I combine my x's. Now I'm going to combine my y's. So I have a 3y. I'm going to take the second one. What's in front of the 2y? A subtract. So what's 3y minus 2y? 1y. So I'm going to say minus 1y. Okay, and then I'm going to take my constants, and I have a plus in front of the 7. So what's 4 plus 7? So some rules for combining like terms. Okay, here we go. Let's do a little asterisk. Okay, you can only add or subtract terms with the same variable. Again, I can't really combine a French fry and a hamburger together and say it's still a French fry or a hamburger, right? I can only combine hamburgers together or fries together or sodas together. Okay, now numbers without variables. What were those called again? Constants. Can only be combined with each other. You will be tempted to take a 2x and like 2x plus 4 and say that's 6x. Okay, I can't combine a constant or a number without a variable with a number with a variable. I can't do it. They're two different things. It's like apples and oranges. I can't combine those. Okay, so if I look up at my original equation, how many x's do I have? I have 2x plus what? X. So that gives me, remember I can pretend there's a 1 in front of an x. So that gives me 3x. Okay, what y's do I have? I have a 3y, and what's in front of the 2y? Minus. So that gives me what? 1y or y. And then my constants were what? 4 plus 7, which is 11. So that gives me 3x plus y plus 11. There is my expression. Okay, so remember those rules. You can only add or subtract terms with the same variable, and numbers without variable can't be added to ones with variables. So this just kind of shows you what we did earlier on the board. Okay, consider the following family takeaway order. 2 hamburgers plus a fry plus drinks plus 3 hamburgers plus 2 fries plus 2 drinks. That is annoying for the people working at the drive-thru. So we can combine this. We're going to use B for burger, F for fries, and D for drink. So how many burgers do I have here? 2. How many fries do I have? 1. How many drinks do I have? 1. Okay, now how many burgers do I have?
3.
3 burgers. How many fries?
2.
2 fries. And how many drinks? 2 drinks. Okay, I can combine these. What can I combine? What has variables that are the same? The burgers are the same, right? So I'm going to find the burgers. 2 burgers plus 3 burgers equals what? 5 burgers. Okay. Now, 3 fries. Or no, I have a fry plus, and there's a plus in front of it. So plus 2 fries is 3 fries. Then I have 1 drink. There's a plus in front of this drink. So 1 drink plus 2 drinks is 3 drinks. So I combined them to have 5 burgers, 3 fries, and 3 drinks. Much easier to say and much easier for somebody to take your order. So this is just a reminder that we want to combine terms to make it easier. Okay, what do you notice about number 1? What do you notice? Just shout it out. Okay, so I have 2 orders of burgers and 1 order of fries, right? So what can I combine there? Burgers. I'm going to combine these burgers together. Now, this has a plus in front of it, so I want you to box that. Okay, and then I want you to box the 5 burgers. So if I took the whole fries out of it, what would I be left with? 5 burgers plus 3 burgers, right? So what's 5 burgers plus 3 burgers?
8 burgers.
8 burgers. I'm just going to say B. We're not going to draw a burger every time. And then what do I have left? And what is my operation there? Plus. So plus 2 fries. That is my expression. All right, let's go down to number 2. All right, I'm going to start with burgers. So I'm going to box my burger. So go ahead and box your burger. And take your operation with it. So I have 2 burgers plus 3 burgers, which gives me what? 5 burgers. All right, now I'm going to box my fries. And make sure you take your operations with them. So I have 1 fry. It doesn't say 1 in front of it, but a fry is there representing it. So there's a invisible 1 in front of it. So I have 1 fry plus 2 fries equals, and there is a plus operation. So plus 2 fries. All right, and then what do I have left? And what's my operation? Plus. So plus 4S, I'm going to say soda. It is 3 fries, sorry. I was trying to explain it, and then I didn't go with it. Okay, there we go. So 5B plus 3F plus 4S is my new expression. Okay, so this one, I'm going to start with my first one, which is what? 4 soda. So I'm going to box that soda, and then the other one, I'm going to take the operation with it. So 4 sodas plus 5 sodas is 9 sodas. All right, now what do I have? Hamburgers. So I have 2 hamburgers plus 3 hamburgers. I took that operation, so it's a plus. So 2 plus 3 is 5 hamburgers. And then this one has an operation of plus 3 fries is what's left. Okay? All right, but in 7th grade, they are going to start putting like negatives in front of these. Okay? And so you're going to have to say like -6 plus, oh, I did that wrong.
Positive 8.
How about -1 plus 2, right? In 6th grade, we're not doing that. We're either going to have subtract, not the first one, but the other ones would be subtract, and then we'll use addition. Okay, but you have to understand how to put these together, so then when you get into 7th grade and they add negative numbers, you know what you're doing. All right, let's look at number 5. I don't have my pictures anymore. Okay, so we're going to keep these organized by boxing them in red, green, and blue. So let's start with red. And I have an X. So I'm going to box my 3X.
That's an H.
That's an X.
That's an H.
Huh. No.
It's an H.
You're probably right for a hamburger, huh? So then P would be for pop.
Yeah.
So they say pop in certain areas of the country, and then like back east they say soda. So I guess pop. So P. Okay, so let's just say it's a hamburger. So 3H. Okay, and make sure you take your operation with you plus H. So I'm going to put these together. So what's 3H plus 1H? What's 3 hamburgers plus 1 hamburger? 4 hamburgers. All right, so then I'm going to take my blue and I'm going to box my fries. Take your operations with it. How many fries do I have?
3.
All I have is 3. I don't need to add any, but my operation is plus. So plus 3 fries. Okay, and then I'm going to take my soda. Make sure you box your operation with it. So what's 8 sodas plus 2 sodas? 10 sodas. We'll just put pop, I guess. And what do I have left here? What do I have left? Plus 2. Don't forget your constant if it's there. Okay, let's just throw a negative in here just to show you, okay? So let's do negative minus P instead of plus P. So make that a minus instead of a plus. All right, so let's start with our hamburger. So I'm going to box my hamburger. I've got 2H and 3H. Take that operation with it. What's 2H plus 3H? 5H. Okay. Then I'm going to take my blue and I'm going to do my fries. So take your operation with it. Plus 4 fries. Do I have any other F's? No, so I'm going to say plus 4 fries. Okay, and then my soda, I have a plus 6 minus 1. So what is 6 minus 1? 5. But what's in front of my 6? A positive. So positive 5 sodas. Right, and then what do I have left? A positive 2 and a positive 2. So what's 2 plus 2? 4. That would be your expression. All right, here's with our negatives. Now, all we have to do is just be careful that we keep our operations in front of the number. So let's get our red out first. We're going to do our hamburgers first. So I'm going to box 5 hamburgers. And then minus 3 hamburgers. I'm going to take that operation. Now, the reason why I don't take the operation at the beginning is because unless it shows you a negative, it is just assumed that it's a positive. All right? So I could say plus 5 hamburgers minus 3 hamburgers. It would just be the same as saying 5 minus 3. So I don't put a plus at the beginning because if there isn't any other operation, I'm just assuming it's a plus. So what is 5 hamburgers minus 3 hamburgers? 2 hamburgers. Then I'm going to take this next one, and what's my operation there? subtract. So subtract 2 fries, and that would be my expression. Okay, let's do one more together. So let's take our red. I'm going to box my 2 hamburgers and my plus 3 hamburgers. So what's 2 hamburgers plus 3 hamburgers? 5 hamburgers. And then I'm going to box my fries. Remember, this is an invisible one. And my operation. Okay, so I have... So if I have a negative 1 and I subtract 2, it's going to be negative 3 fries. And then what do I have left? Plus 4 sodas.